Hello everyone, this is Zoe from ESA. Today we're going to visit Sinuo. Sinuo, this company is professional in manufacturing tax equipment. Our main products include electrical vehicle tax equipment, household appliance tax equipment, factory tax equipment, environment tax equipment, dustproof, waterproof tax equipment, fire retardant tax equipment, established. Our company passed ISO 9001 2015 and we applied many patents for our products. These two are electrical vehicle taxing equipment. This one is temperature and humidity chamber. This is one of the environment chamber. We can customize according to our orders. For example, temperature rate and chamber size. For example, this is 225 liters. Let's take a look inside. Now I'm going to show you some of the products we are ready to ship. Those two are electrical vehicle tax equipment. This one is temperature chamber. All of this is our household appliance tax equipment. Our engineers are checking our product. If everything is okay, we're going to send it to our customers. Zoe, can you tell me about this electrical vehicle tax equipment?
Okay, this machine simulates the insertion and withdrawal actions of an electrical vehicle plug from socket. To checking the insertion and withdrawal first, the overall three-station structure of the equipment. Each station includes an independent servomotor, a pressure sliding table, a pressure force sensor, and a fixture, and the control is accurate. Okay, look at this. It has tailored and 3-axis movable fixture. It adopts servomotor drive, PLC intelligent control, and the first curve can be checked in real time on the touchscreen. Okay, that's all.
ESA.com makes foreign trading easier.